Like cash envelope budgeting? Then you're going to love Qube. Qube is a one-of-a-kind app card combo that unites banking and budgeting. Here's how it works. First, you split your paycheck into cubes. Cubes are like piggy banks with purpose. Basically, you're giving every dollar a job. When you're at the store or online and ready to make a purchase, simply choose which cube the money is coming from and ensure you have enough. There are no overdrafts. You've got $1,000 allocated for groceries. Your cart rings up for $250. The Qube card has a default zero balance. This prevents theft and any unplanned purchases. You select your grocery cube, which then automatically transfers your available funds to your Qube card. Now run the card. $250 is removed from that cube. The remaining $750 is returned back to the cube as available funds. Bingo! You're done. Easy. Oh, and if you've shared the cube, your people will get a notification, so everyone's on the same page. Every purchase you make with Qube is tracked, so you can see your purchase history for each Qube category. Easy peasy. Download today and start spending with purpose. Qube.